Every developer has a nightmare file. This is mine. It's hiding a simple bug that makes it completely broken. So I challenged Google's most powerful AI to a duel. Machine versus my ugliest code. You're about to see who won.
Okay, so here's the monster. It's a single HTML file using ancient jQuery. And here's the bug. This little line of code only attaches a delete function to items that exist when the page first loads. Anything new you add? It's a ghost. The button is there, but the code doesn't know it exists. It's a classic legacy code problem.
All right, let's go to Google AI Studio. Step 1, I'm not even going to tell it about the bug. I just want it to modernize the code first. I'm pasting everything in and giving it this prompt. Analyze this single-file legacy web app. Your tasks are 1. Refactor the JavaScript to use modern vanilla JS, no jQuery. 2. Add clear comments. 3. Keep all functionality identical to the original. All right, there we go. Done. Man, just look at it. So nice and clean, all vanilla JS. That ancient jQuery is finally gone. Ripped out all that messy old code, and now it's way lighter, easier to read, actually modern. This is what I'm talking about. But here's the real question. Did I finally squash that ghost bug? The old code could never handle this part. All right, moment of truth. Let's add a new item. How about ship this feature? And add, and yep, there it is on the list. Okay, so far so good. Now for the real test, the one that always fails. Let's try to delete the one I just added. Move the mouse over, click delete, and it's gone! Yes, it's actually gone! The bug is dead! Finally! Ha! Take that, legacy code. Okay, so it wasn't just about swapping jQuery for JavaScript. It was about fixing the core logic. Before, the code only listened to clicks on items that existed when the page was loaded. Now, it listens to the whole list. So it doesn't matter when you add something new. The code knows what to do. It's not just a new coat of paint, it's a new engine. That feels good. All right, our basic application is working. The logic is solid, but let's be honest, the look is a bit dated. Now we're moving on to the more creative phase, improving the user interface and adding new features. Let's see if the AI can handle a more subjective request. I'm going to give it instructions to completely overhaul the design and add a practical function. Here's the prompt. Okay, the code is running well. Now make the UI look more modern, add icons, etc. And you can add a function for print tasks. I'm intentionally leaving the interpretation of modern open to see its creativity. I also asked for icons, which means it needs to understand the context of actions like add or delete, and of course, a brand new print function. Let's see what it generates. Okay, new code is being created. Wow, this is quite comprehensive. There are changes to the HTML and CSS, as well as a new JavaScript function. Time for implementation. I'll copy over the new HTML and CSS. You can see the difference immediately. The layout is cleaner, there are subtle shadows, and the font is much easier on the eyes. Now I'll update the JavaScript file. This will connect all the new elements and enable the print function. Okay. Everything is in place. Let's refresh. And yes, look at that. Each task now has a trash can icon for deleting, and the add button has a plus icon. It's so much more intuitive. Now for the final test, the new print button. I click it, and perfect! The system's print dialog pops up, ready to print my task list. This is incredible. The AI not only beautified the UI based on a somewhat vague command, but also successfully built a new function from scratch. the development process just became so much faster and more inspiring.
So, the final verdict. Was the result shocking like my title promised? Honestly, yes. The fact that it could even understand that spaghetti code is incredible. But was it a one-click solution? Absolutely not. It needed guidance.
So Gemini can handle legacy code, but that's just fixing the past. You have to see what happened when I asked it to build the future, a complete mobile app from scratch. Click the video on your screen right now to see if it was a success or a total train wreck.